Okay, so let's have this topic. So multiplication and division of fractions. So we have this given 3 times 2 over 9. So first, we need to put a denominator 1 for this whole number. Then apply the rule in multiplication of fractions. So when multiplying fractions, so just multiply these numerators. So we have 3 times 2, that's 6, over multiply these denominators. So 1 times 9, that's 9. Since we can reduce this 6 over 9 because 6 and 9 divisible by 3. So therefore, 6 divided by 3, that's 2, then over 9 divided by 3, that's 3. So therefore, the product of these fractions is 2 over 3. Then for this given, so using the rule for multiplication of fractions, so just multiply these numerators. So 4 times 3, that's 12. Then over 5 times 8, that's 40. Then since we can reduce this fraction because 12 and 40 divisible by 4. So this 12 divided by 4, that's 3. Then over this 40 divided by 4, that's 10. So the product of these fractions is 3 over 10. Then for this given, so division of fractions. So first, we need to write this first fraction, 2 over 7. Then change this operation, so from division to multiplication. Then find the inverse or the reciprocal of the second fraction. So this 4 over 5 becomes 5 over 4. Then apply multiplication. So multiply these numerators. So 2 times 5, that's 10. Then over 7 times 4, that's 28. Since we can reduce this 10 over 28 because 10 and 28 divisible by 2. So 10 divided by 2, that's 5. Then over 28 divided by 2, that's 14. So therefore, the quotient of these fractions is 5 over 14. Then for this given, so first we need to change this mixed number to improper fraction. So multiply this 4 and 2. So 4 times 2, that's 8. And 8 plus 3, that's 11. So these 2 and 3, 4 is equal to 11 over 4. Then times for the second mixed number. So multiply this 7 to 3. 7 times 3, that's 21. And 21 plus 4, that's 25. So therefore, this 3 and 4 over 7 is equal to 25 over 7. Then apply multiplication. So multiply these numerators. So 11 times 25, that's 275. Then over 4 times 7, that's 28. Since this one is an improper fraction, so we need to change this one to mixed number. So we have 275 divided by 28. So this 275 divided by 28, so we have 9. Then 9 times 28. So 9 times 28. So this one is 72, carry 7. 18 plus 7, that's 252. So we have 252. Then subtract, so 275 minus 252, this one is 23. So therefore, this 275 over 28 is equal to 9 and 23 over 28. So this one is the product of these fractions. Then for this given, so first we need to convert this mixed number to improper fractions. So multiply this 3 and 4. So 3 times 4, that's 12. And 12 plus 1, that's 13. So we have 13 over 3. Then divide by this 6 times 3, that's 18. And 18 plus 5, that's 23, then over 6. Then we need to rewrite these fractions. So just bring down the first fraction, then change this operation to multiplication. Then find the inverse or the reciprocal of the second fraction. So this 23 over 6 becomes 6 over 23. Then apply multiplication. So this 13 times 6. So 13 times 6, this one is 18, carry 1, that's 78. So we have 78, then over. Then this 3 times 23, that's 69. Since this one is an improper fraction, so we need to change this one to mixed number. So we have this 78 divided by 69. So 78 divided by 69, that's 1. So 1 times 69, this one is 69. Then 78 minus 69, that's 9. So therefore, this 78 over 69 is equal to 1 and 9 over 69. Since we can reduce this 9 over 69, that's divisible by 3. So we have now 1. Then this 9 divided by 3, that's 3. Then over this 69 divided by 3, that's 23. So this one is the quotient of these fractions.